this is Ross with DIY on the House. I've been a plumber for over 27 years and I've put a number of these. These are called spin down filters. A great place for spin down filters is if you have galvanized piping on your yard line coming to your house or you're on a well system. This is a great addition to catching any debris, larger debris that's coming in through your lines and either plugging up your aerators or plugging up your actual whole house filter all the time to where you're having to change that. You can catch everything before that. By simply installing a spin down filter, you catch all the larger debris and then just simply open the valve on the bottom, flush that debris out and then close it back up, and that'll remove it, and that will help you either prolong the life of your whole house filter or your aerators as well. This has a number of different applications as far as connections go. I'm going to show you that real quick. Okay, so this is actually the SimPure DC5P. They sent this to us to give a review on it. I've put a number of spin down filters in over my career. This is a great addition to your water system if you are having problems with larger debris coming through the line. The way it works is if you got your water line coming in and you're out, but the water has to go through this spin down area right here. This has a 40 micron mesh filter in it. It also has a 200 mesh filter that they send as well. So what happens is it comes through, your water goes through the mesh and then back out to either your house or to your whole house filter. And what they have is a pre-plumbed valve at the bottom of this, and once you see a drop in your water volume, you just simply go out, open this valve. It has an included tube with it that will flush and spin out all the debris that's caught in the filter. Now you will need to clean the filter every 3 to 6 months, and that depends on the amount that's coming through. On the housing itself, it's threaded for 1-inch pipe thread. The interior is threaded for 3/4 pipe thread, and it also comes with a 𝐬𝐭𝐞𝐫 with a 3/4 male adapter on it as well, and I'll show you that. So if you have a 1-inch application, you can just simply put thread tape on this, seal it, and then screw on your fittings depending on what you're doing. PVC, in this case, this is a PEX adapter. You can also use a 3/4 PEX adapter if your lines are 3/4. Screw that into the interior pipe threads. It comes complete with the union nut, the adapter for 3/4 male, and it also comes with a seal. And those just basically just get screwed on just like that. And there you have a union that you can work with if you need to actually remove the unit itself. And then you have the male pipe thread where you can screw a female pipe thread on that, and that is 3/4 like I said. Okay, as far as the servicing of the filter itself, you do have a wrench that comes with it, and that just fits on right to the housing there, and that unscrews. And then you can just simply remove the screen filter and then brush that off, clean it off. Now, if you're experiencing with the 40 mesh a drop in volume in your house, you can go with a 200 mesh filter and slip that on. You can also use the adapter if you want to unscrew that as well. This gives you an option for if something snaps off, it gives you the extra filter housing. On the bottom of it, it does have, like I said, the pre-plumbed valve, and it comes with tubing for that. You just slip this tubing in, and that's 3/8, and you can drop the end of it in a bucket, or you can plumb it to the exterior. And then when you do the service on it, when you're seeing that the sump is getting full or it's getting plugged up, you can just simply go like this under full pressure, and that will flush this housing out, and then you can just turn that off and you're back in service again. SimPure also sends a great little manual for some different applications. Like I said, I've installed these. These work extremely well if you're fighting large debris coming out of your well system, or if you have a galvanized yard line pipe system and it's getting into your house and clogging your aerators. The SimPure whole house spin down sediment filter will do the trick, and I highly suggest it. Thanks for watching DIY on the House, and I hope this helps you on a decision on a spin down filter. And I would definitely suggest the SimPure with the brass housing. This makes a big difference compared to a lot of them that have the PVC housing. This just gives you a better foundation on connection.